Welcome students, this is Chandan Singh Negi. In previous sessions we have discussed the chapters, this is 5 and chapter 2. Now this is relation functions and this is complex numbers, and now we are going to discuss the new chapter that is called permutation and combinations. That is chapter is permutation and combination. Permutation and combinations, right? Permutation and combinations. In this chapters we will discuss, this is first, this is fundamental principle of counting, fundamental principle of counting. Number 2, this is we call this is factorial. Third, we will discuss the permutation, and fourth, we will discuss combination. Right? These 4 part we will discuss. The first, that is the first fundamental principle of counting. That is FPC. We call it FPC. Might be not be in this year syllabus, but it is an important thing to understand all this permutation and combination and factorial. So that's why we are writing this one. The first, first we will discuss the factorial. So what is factorial? Factorial means example. This is if I write 3 into 2 into 1, not 0. So we write this is called 3 factorial. This is the sign of factorial, or 3 factorial. Right? This is the sign, or equal to this. Both the sign are factorial. This is called factorial. Right? So this is 3 factorial. If I write this is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, this is called 4 factorial. Right? This is 4 factorial, or 4 factorial. Both are the same thing, right? Sometimes we will use this one sign and sometimes this one sign. Please don't confuse on this one. If I write this is 100 into 99 into 98 into dot 3 into 2 into 1, this means 100 factorial. Right? This means 100 factorial. If you want to write this is 5 factorial, it means 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So these multiplication in descending order till 1, not 0. If I multiply it by 0, then it will be 0, not 5 factorial. So then the greatest numbers is called greatest numbers factorial. So this is 5 factorial. If you want to write this is x factorial, so it means x into 1 in decreasing order, and x minus 1, and second is x minus 2, and into dot, it is 3 into 2 into 1, right? It is 3 into 1. If I write this is n factorial, so this is n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into dot, 3 into 2 into 1, right? So these are the sign of factorial, and what we call the factorial, these are the factorial, right? Now see this one. All right, check this one. If I write this is 5 into 3 into 2 into 1, so it is not 5 factorial. It is not 5 factorial. It is 5 into, we can break it is as a 3 factorial. So 5 into 3 factorial. This means 5 into 3 factorial. And if this is this is 10 into 9 into 8 into 2 into 1, so it is not 10 factorial. It is not 10 factorial, right? It is not 10 factorial. It is only, we can write this is only 2 factorial. 9 in 10 into 9 into 8 into 2 factorial. Suppose next example, see, if I have 10 factorial, or right, this is 20 factorial. So 20 factorial can be break like 20 into 19 into 18 into 16 factorial, or 20 into 19 factorial, or 20 into 19 into 18 into 17 into 15 factorial, or dot 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 dot. We can break it into 20 parts. 20, this is the less than 20 factorial, with the less than, this is to 19 factorial, then 18 factorial, 20 into 19, this is 16, and then 15 factorial, then 14 factorial, till dot 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 2 factorial or 1 factorial. 1 factorial is 1, right? 1 factorial is 1. If I write this 1 factorial, this is means 1. This is only 1, right? So thank you, students. Thank you. In next sessions we will discuss more about this one. Thank you.